What's up? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Let's see. Make sure everybody's paid here. 1 second, please, and we will get rolling. Also, got another break coming up right after this. The auctions are ending on it right now. If you get into it too, it'll be free shipping for that one. Just send me a message or something. If I haven't already sent you an invoice, just send me a message. If not, it'll have to be after this break ends. But my kids are upstairs going nuts right now. But let's get this started. All right, we got 7 boxes. Got the Chronicles blaster. Got the Capstone blaster. Got the Gypsy Queen blaster. Haven't opened Gypsy Queen in a while. Got the Bowman blaster. Got the Optic blaster. Then got the Bowman Mega. And have the Bowman Chrome Mega. And we will start out with the Chronicles. Anybody has any questions? Anybody, if my video starts being terrible, anything like that, audio, somebody just let me know. But other than that, we will get started. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Empty box. Starting off with the Bruhan on the season ticket. Got Jazz Chisholm Jr. on the Clearly. Got Jacob deGrom. And Bruhan again for the Rays on the Titan. Alright, we got Yepez on the rookie. Got Andre Jackson rookie for the Dodgers. Got John Heasley for the Royals, and every card was opposite on that one, Chas McCormick. Had to flip it over all 4 times. Excuse me. Yeah, so got another break right after this. My phone is over there. I have it charging. It is vibrating like crazy right now. But, like I said, if you get in that, it'll be free shipping. Just have to wait till the end of the break so I can send out an invoice. But we got Reese Kinnear rookie. Got Spencer Strider on the rookie for the Braves. Got Freddie Freeman and Gavin Sheets rookie for the White Sox. Chronicles packs are hard to open. Alright, we got Aaron Ashby for the Brewers on the Recon rookie. We got Corey Seager, Sandy Alcantara, and Josh Lowe for the Rays. And the last pack out of the Chronicles blaster. Man, throat is itchy. Got Connor Wong on the rookie. Kevin Gossman. Byron Buxton. Those are hard to read. And Tony Santillan, or Santillan, for the Reds. So no real big names out of that, but some decent rookies there. Box 2 is going to be better, if I can breathe. All right. Box 2, we're going to go with the Optic. Let's go. Hang on one second. I'm going to get something to drink really quick. Sorry about that. Yeah, got a scratch in my throat. It wouldn't go away. All right, first pack out of Optic. Got Torque on the rookie for the Tigers. Curtis Terry rookie. Jake Cronenworth. Our pink is going to be Jose Altuve for the Astros. And lights out Jackson Kowar. Pack number 2. All right, we got Joey Votto. Drew Ellis for the Diamondbacks. Brandon Lowe Rays. And we got Mookie Betts on the mythical Prism for the Dodgers. Nice looking card. And then Taj Bradley for the Rays on the rated prospect, who I saw just made his debut this past week. He's pitched a couple games. Looks pretty good. Mr. Bradley for the Rays. All right, we got Pete Alonso, Matt Brash, rated rookie, Garrett Cole, Byron Buxton on the pink Diamond Kings, and Splash, Corey Seager. Going out to the Rangers. All right. Got Camilo Duvall, rated rookie. Fernando Tatis Jr., Nolan Arenado, and looks like we might have an auto. We're going to save that. Giancarlo Stanton on the mythical. I did see a number there, so it's either just going to be a backwards numbered card or a numbered auto. We're going to save it to the end of these 2 packs. Got to build the suspense a little bit, you know? It'll be cool like that. Hans Kraus on the rookie. Jose Siri rookie. Hunter Green rated rookie for the Reds. And there is a Pena pink going out to the Astros. That's a nice card there for the Astros. On the pink parallel. Going out to the Astros. Go ahead and set that up there right now. Got Bryce Harper Splash. And our last pack out of Optic. Got Seth Beer on the rated rookie. Brian De La Cruz rated rookie. Key Brian Hayes. Jose Siri, again for the Astros on the silver. And Jose Ramirez on the mythical. And if I don't knock the camera down, our card here is either going to be an auto or just an, looks like it says auto. BC, if anybody knows who that is. Looks like it's going out to the Marlins. 67 out of 150 on the purple Brian De La Cruz auto. Going out to Miami. Congrats to the Marlins on our first auto of the night. Hopefully there's going to be more to come. On the purple out of 150. Mr. De La Cruz. Alright, next we're going to go with the Gypsy Queen. Haven't opened one of these in forever. But here we go. Man, I do remember these blasters were awesome when this came out, so it seemed like you got an auto every other blaster. So that's pretty cool. Don't hold me to those stats there, but it seemed like a lot of autos, I'll say that. Alright, we got Clayton Kershaw, Clint Frazier, Alek Manoah. Thought there was one stuck to the back. Kevin Biggio, almost said Craig Biggio. Roger Maris, Edward Cabrera on the green parallel rookie for the Marlins, and Nate Pearson. All right, we got Miguel Cabrera, Bryce Harper, Eugenio Suarez for the Reds, and we got Ryu on the GQ Gems going out to the Blue Jays on our little mini card there. Go ahead and put that in the top loader so I do not mess it up. Put it in there crooked. Alright, then we got Mr. Corey Seager on the green, Chris Paddock, and Yu Darvish. Now there is, Gypsy Queen does have like logo swaps and all these different variations too, which if I missed during the live, I will double check. But if somebody sees one that I do not see, just holler at me. Alright, we got Justin Verlander. We do got a Sepia, looks like. Gregorius, Joey Gallo, and our Sepia is going to be Reed Detmers going out to the Angels on the rookie. That is going to be numbered 87 out of 99 for the Angels on the Reed Detmers rookie. All right, we got Alex Kirilloff green, Soroka, and Apostle. All right, we got Jeff McNeil, Alec Baum, Justin Turner, Greg Diekman on the rookie. Our green is going to be Sonny Gray when he was on the Reds. G-Man Choi and Devers for the Red Sox. Sonny Gray's like the ERA leader, and Castillo's right behind him. Both former Red pitchers, now on different teams. All right, Whit Merrifield, McKinstry, Ryu, Wright, Matt Carpenter in his Cardinals uniform on the green, Creamer, and Espanol for the Blue Jays. All right, we got Max Scherzer, Baду, Evan Longoria, Corey Kluber, got Josh Bell for the Nationals on the green, got Aaron Nola, and David Bote. And our last pack out of the Gypsy Queen. Which I cannot open. All right. Got Alejandro Kirk, Jared Kelenic, Houck, Lance Lynn. Our green is going to be Franmil Reyes for the Guardians, Mitch Haniger, and Andrew McCutchen. So did get one numbered card out of Gypsy Queen at least. It was a rookie. All right, let me set these to the side. Now we'll do the capstone. Should have either one mem or auto in here. Now sometimes they do put the panini points in these, but we're hoping for at least one auto or one mem. Empty box. Alright, let's see if any of these feel thicker. See if we got a... Ooh, that one might be a little thicker. Usually they're all pretty thin if it's going to be an auto. That one's borderline. I don't know. We'll save it for the end. Might have a mem in it. We shall see. Here we go. I really like capstone. The blasters are usually pretty good. Fernando Tatis Jr., Juan Yepez rookie. Urias for the Brewers. Matt Brash on the blue parallel. And Johan Duran for the Minnesota Twins on the Velo insert. Alright, we got Torkelson for the Tigers on the rookie. Got Stephen Kwan rookie for the Guardians. Trey Turner. Sapuki rookie blue variation. And Cabrian Hayes on the New Age. Got Devers, Ozuna, Trey Mancini on the gold for the Brewers, or not the Brewers, the Baltimore Orioles. I don't know why I said Brewers. Kyle Muller on the blue, and Velo Edwin Diaz. He broke his leg. Alright, we got Joe Ryan rookie. Reese Kinnear rookie. Anthony Rizzo. Jordan on the blue parallel for the Astros. And Salvi on the Big Bang for Kansas City. Those are cool looking cards, man. Don't care what anybody says. I like them. They are cool. Colton Welker, rookie. Eric Hosmer. Ryan Velarde, rookie. Got Jose Miranda going out to the Twins on the blue rookie. And we got Ricky Henderson for the A's and Luis Robert for the White Sox. I'll tell you what, right now while we're here, so I don't forget, I've got a dice. We'll just do even left, odd right, real fast, and then we'll keep it rolling. It is 3, it is odd. So that is going to the White Sox. And our last pack, looks like we do have a mem and not an auto. Maybe it's an auto mem. We'll see. Got Benintendi. Riley Adams on the rookie. We got Hunter Green, that's nice, on the blue rookie. And then Wander Franco on the New Age going out to the Rays. And then behind Mr. Riley Adams is a mem. It is going to be CJ. Who that? We'll see who that is. It is CJ Abrams on the rookie patch. Going out to the Padres. And I always forget, need the big sleeves, which I do have. Alright, be right back. Alright, I always forget these sleeves. There we go. Let's see here. Mr. Abrams going out to the Padres on the white patch. All right, on to the next one. We will do the Bowman Blaster next, followed by our 2 Megas. Got some good look out of these. Hopefully we stay hot. You see who's on the back of that one, huh? All right. We got Bryce Harper, Fernando Tatis Jr., George Springer, Carlos Correa, Whit Merrifield, Matt Vierling on the rookie. We got Jarren Duran on the Rookie of the Year favorites. Papers are going to be Bobby Witt Jr., Herberto Hernandez, and Alvin Guzman. And our chromes are going to be Vera and Mr. Churio himself, going out to the Brewers for the Churio. Been pulling a lot of Churios the last 2 breaks. It's like our 5th Churio from yesterday and today combined. Pretty solid. All right, we got Shane Baz on the rookie, Jackson Kowar rookie, Gavin Sheets rookie, Juan Yepez rookie, Miggy, Cabrian Hayes, got Twerk on the vibrations, got Braylon Minier, paper first, Jeter Downs paper, and Angeles paper first. And our chromes are going to be Guzman first for the Angels and C.J. Abrams going out to the Padres. All right, we got Rosarena, Matt Manning rookie, Colton Welker rookie, Jose Ramirez, Albert Pujols, Jazz Chisholm Jr., got Zach Veen on the top 100, going out to the Rockies. Got Jason Dominguez paper, Rodriguez paper, and Nico Cavadas paper first. Our chromes are going to be Alejandro Pie and Verdugo first for the Rays and the Cubs. All right, we got Soler, Ketel Marte, Jordan Alvarez, Jarren Duran rookie, Kyle Muller rookie, Spencer Strider rookie. Got Ohtani, and we got Michael Triana on the paper first, Pete Crow Armstrong, and Alexander Ramirez for the Angels. Our chromes are going to be Triana first and Noelvi Marte on the chromes. All right, we got J.D. Martinez, Francisco Lindor, Joey Gallo, Jose Altuve, Charlie Blackmon, Bobby Dalbec. Got Henry Davis on the high-five futures for the Pirates. Got Blaze Jordan, San Quintin first, and Noelvi Marte. Chromes are going to be Pacheco and Benjamin Bailey. Move some of these over to the side. And our last pack out of the blaster. Don't see any hits. I was trying to see if there was a thicker card. All right, we got Adolis Garcia, Otto Lopez rookie, Reed Detmers rookie, O'Neal Cruz rookie for the Pirates, Acuna Jr., Giancarlo Stanton, and Francisco Alvarez going out to the Mets on the top 100. Got Jose Rodriguez paper first, Pastrano paper first, and Nick Gonzalez. Our chromes are going to be Quintero and Tristan Casas. That's it on the blaster. Got 2 boxes left. Got both of the megas. We'll save the chrome mega for last, and we will go with the regular Bowman mega first. Both of these do have the base packs plus the 2 mojo packs. The regular Bowman should have 4 of the base packs and 2 of the mojo packs, and Bowman Chrome has 5 of the base packs and 2 of the mojo packs. Hopefully we get a numbered card or an auto out of the mojo packs. But here we go. Good luck, everybody. All right, we got Garrett Cole, rookie, or not rookie, I don't know why I was about to say that. Jose Barrero, Freddie Freeman, Juan Soto, Marcus Simeon, and our first Ellie on the paper. Got Elliot Ramos, Wilman Diaz, and our chromes are going to be Amador and Henry Davis. All right, we got Seth Beer, rookie. Brandon Marsh, rookie. Jake Berger, rookie. Jesse Winker. Javi Baez. Our papers are going to be Luis Matos, Alcantara, and Henry Davis. Our chromes are going to be Cooper Kinney and Khalil Watson on the chrome first, going out to the Marlins. Another good one in the back. We got Nick Madrigal, Matt Chapman, Dylan Carlson, Paul Goldschmidt, Alec Baum, Jackson Churio on the paper, Peguero, Nunez, and our chromes are going to be Colson Montgomery and James Wood, two pretty solid ones. So there's a solid pack there. Mr. Wood, Mr. Montgomery first, and Churio on the paper first. There we go. Knocking all the cards over. All right, we got Ryan Mountcastle, Aaron Judge, Aaron Ashby, rookie, Luke Williams, rookie, Ryan Velade, rookie, Ortega on the first, Christian Hernandez and Genoves on the first. Our chromes are going to be Trey Sweeney and Panago. Trey Sweeney going out to the Yankees. And now for our two Mojo packs. All right, we got Henry Davis Mojo, Pineda Mojo. Got Joe Ryan on the Rookie of the Year favorites. Got Torque and Wilman Diaz. Got ourselves a Torque Mojo. Come on, there we go. Knocking the camera over. I do that every time. All right. Second Mojo pack. Ooh, we do have a hit in there. See that? Thicker card in the middle. Got Sawinski on the first. That's a good card. Looks like it's going to be a green. Got Valerio. I'll sit that down for just a second. And Pastrana. Both going to the Guardians. And behind Mr. Valerio, going out also to the Guardians. Looks like a pretty good one. It's going to be John Kinsey Noel for the Guardians on the green Mojo. Should be at a 99. I think it's actually on the front. There it is. 47 out of 99. If you can see that. Going to the Guardians. Congrats, Guardians. I know he's hit like 1 million home runs since he's been in the minors. So he's supposed to be a beast. He seriously hit like 37 or something last year. Something crazy. Or maybe I'm just making that up. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's right, though. All right, our last box is going to be the Bowman Chrome Mega. And guys, if you're joining in looking for the next break, it will be at 9. After I get off here, I'm going to get on the computer and do the invoices. Like I said, if you're in this break and you get in the next one, free shipping. I just got to send the invoice when we're done here. box. Alright, we got the 2 Mojo packs and the 5 base packs. Here we go. Alright, we got a Rosarena, Bo Bichette, Gabriel Arias rookie for the Guardians, Jose Miranda rookie for the Twins, Miggy, Spencer Torkelson rookie, Bryson Stott rookie, MJ Melendez rookie, Juan Yepez rookie, and Altuve. Got Edward Cabrera rookie, Cal Raleigh rookie for the Mariners, Marcus Semien, Stephen Kwan rookie, and Jarren Duran rookie. So we have got literally every rookie, I think, except for Julio and Wander. Christian Yelich, Jose Ramirez, Brandon Crawford, Brandon Marsh, Manny Machado. Got Jake Berger rookie, Jared Kelenic, Starling Marte, Matt Manning rookie, and Vladdy Jr. And our last 2 packs of the break gonna be the Mojo packs. Hoping for another numbered card or auto. Alright, we got Jordan Lawler, Hedbert Perez, Pete Crow Armstrong, Leover Peguero, and James Wood for the Padres. And our last pack. Looks like we do have another hit. Don't know if looks like it's going to be a pink or fuchsia. Francisco Alvarez, Willie Fanas, and we got Benny Montgomery and Jonathan Mejia on the first for the Cardinals. And our last card is going to be going out to the Diamondbacks on the non-first. It's going to be Mr. Hassel, or not the Diamondbacks, the Padres. Sorry. I don't know why I said that either. All right, we got 29 out of 199 for the Padres, Mr. Hassel, who's now in the Nationals organization. But out of 199 on the Fuchsia Mojo for the Padres. He's a really good prospect as well. And that'll do us, guys. I'll do a quick recap on some of our bigger cards here. We did have a lot more rookies and inserts I'm not going to go over, but we had the Torque Mojo, Trey Sweeney first, Jackson Chourio paper first, Colson Montgomery first, James Wood first, Ellie De La Cruz on the paper first, and Khalil Watson on the chrome first. Then our top-loaded cards are going to be Jackson Chourio on the chrome first, C.J. Abrams on the patch for the Padres, John Kinsey Noel out of 99 on the green Mojo, Reed Detmers out of 99 for the Angels, 99 Sepia, Brian De La Cruz out of 150, I believe, 67 out of 150 on the purple auto for the Marlins, Jeremy Pena on the pink rated rookie, and Robert Hassel on the pink Mojo out of 199 for the Padres. Thanks everybody who joined. Got another break coming up in about 20 minutes or so. I'll send out invoices on those and we'll get the ball rolling on that. Appreciate you guys. Have a good night.